It's been a year since we did an update on the Escape, so today we're going to take a drive on the Escape and let you see the differences the intake and exhaust made, which were a lot. I've had this mod on this car for over a year now. It's just as great as it was a year ago. All you got to see last time is just it idling and revving, but now you'll get to see it drive. So we're going for a ride. Ford Escape Turbo. I did the intake and exhaust mod just over a year ago, and it still rides and performs just as great today as it did back then. So we're going to take it for a spin and let you see it and experience it and hear the nice sounds. Too bad you can't feel the acceleration. Turbocharging, a great intake and exhaust mod, and all-wheel drive all working together to make this thing just really move smooth, powerful, lots of low-end torque. And on top of it all, I'm still getting 29 miles to the gallon. Sometimes even 35, just depends on my foot. Like right now, the real time is saying 59 miles to the gallon, but as you let on the gas and you put it in different throttle positions, the fuel economy changes. So what it shows is the average over city driving, highway driving, on the throttle, medium throttle, and my average is almost 30 right now. So that's not too bad, considering bone stock, these things were not rated that well on fuel economy, despite having a 1.5 liter turbocharged intercooled 4-cylinder. The fuel economy was not really well rated from the factory. Surprisingly, it was not rated very good. That surprised me. But after I got done with it, fuel economy is alive and well, and the performance is really nice. This thing performs like a much faster car, not a Ford Escape. This thing performs really good. I mean, this isn't even the top engine. The top engine they put in these was a bigger 4-cylinder with the turbocharger. This is the 1.5 liter with the turbocharger and intercooler, and this runs phenomenal after an intake and exhaust system was put on. From the factory, it was so-so on the performance and below expectations on the fuel economy, whereas now this car is great all-around driver, fun to drive, economical, and performs really good. I mean, plus you can get a full family in here for the most part, so win-win-win. We'll come around the corner and do a little acceleration, and that'll be it. Alrighty then, and hopefully you enjoyed this short video on a follow-up on the 2018 Ford Escape, because I showed you the intake and exhaust mod, but we didn't get a chance to drive it. So here we are. We got a chance to drive it finally, and I'm letting you witness this with me. Okay, let's just have a little fun here. Let this guy get way ahead. Ready? We'll do a standing acceleration here. Just, here we go. There we go. Feels nice. Nice acceleration. And I'm about half a throttle right now, and I'm almost at 80 miles an hour. See? Wow, what a drive. What a great driving car. 0 to 80, really nice and smooth, and only half throttle. I was nowhere near full wide open throttle. I was at a half a throttle. So to compare that to stock, unbelievable differences. So you get a car that can easily accelerate 100 miles an hour, 120, no problem on the highway, and get up to speed quickly. Drives really nice. Sounds good too. And now I'm on it like a quarter throttle, and I'm almost over 70. So what a smooth driving ride. Very impressed. The intake and exhaust really did what it takes to put this car over the top. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video following up on this 2018 Ford Escape Ecoboost 1.5 liter turbocharged intercooled 4-cylinder. And it's after a year of me enjoying this intake and exhaust system that I designed, and hope you liked it. Mad boosting.